welcome everybody back to Twisted Between Garage. We're going to start putting this tractor back together and get the console and everything in it. See if we can get all these parts back in. Start putting this thing all back together. Game plan anyway. See what we can do. Got to get this console all bolted in here, and then going to do the steering column next. To get this all done, I'll bring you back when I get some bolts in this and see what we got going on here. But we're going to keep moving forward with this. Get this tractor back together, get it wired, try to get this motor fired and see what we have going on. So we'll bring you back here in just a little bit. Well, we got it down in there. We're going to get these bolts in it. Move on to that steering column. Try to get this tractor all put together so we know what we got. This has been a fun build. Kind of crazy, but it does a job. I'm going to be anxious to see it get out and run. It'll be pretty interesting to see it. At least that's what we're hoping for. Get some other tools here. Fun working on these things, building them. There's a lot of time consuming small parts that got to go back on it now. Makes it interesting. Wife will be happy to have this all back together. Hopefully it all work out. Well, we're gonna move on to the next part. Get this column down over this. Then we'll bring you back when we get to that point. Here's the next part of this build. We're getting the steering column all back on it. We got to get this rubber down around the column here. It's kind of a pain in the neck to get this boot in here, but it'll go. Kind of a pain, but it'll all work out. But I guess it's going to give me a fight, so we'll bring you back as soon as we get this all down in here. Then we're going to get this bolted in. Alright guys, we're moving right along here. We got the center console in it. We got the steering tower in it. And getting ready to put the steering wheel and everything on it. Tractor's coming together good. We got to put the grill on it, and then we're going to start wiring this motor. And hopefully we'll be getting this motor fired off to see what it's going to sound like. And tractor's come a long ways. Kind of enjoy working on it. It's been a pretty long process of getting everything all together and getting everything fixed up, everything the way we want it. But I think the wife's really going to enjoy this tractor. But we've come a long ways with it. A lot of different twists and turns this thing took, and getting everything built and put together and fabbed, and making it all line up and work, and getting everything true so that everything runs nice and true on it. So we're gonna keep moving forward and see where we get to with it. But I think it's gonna work out pretty good for us. And it'll be something. Just see this thing get out. Maybe it'll get one hook this year yet. But we came a long ways from starting with nothing and coming up to this. So hope everybody's enjoying it, and if you like this, give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs down. Hopefully I've helped somebody along on showing them how these builds work and how everything coincides one another, the safety factors of it all. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. But there it is, and I'll show you more as we go along. We got to do the steering wheel and stuff yet, do the wiring for the motor, put the front grille and the hood on it, and get this motor fired. And I think we'll be ready to go with it. So